What's going on, guys? It's Carlos back with another video. In today's video, I've got something pretty special, as you can see around me. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, my friends at Superlift were kind enough to send over one of their 4-inch reflex Jeep JKU lift kits. So the kit came in a total of 8 boxes, and I'm probably not going to be able to install it in this video, but there's no way that I can just let these boxes sit here without going through them. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's see what's inside each of these boxes, and I don't know what they are, so at this point it's basically like a giant mystery box, but for Jeep parts. So let's jump into it. Upper control arms. So we've got a nice heavy duty joint on the end, and then factory style upper. This is fully adjustable, and we'll definitely get into how we set this up once we get on the install. And also in the box, it looks like we've got some install instructions. You know how we are with instructions. And some stickers for the control arms, as well as a nice American flag sticker, because all of this suspension is made in the USA. Box number 2. Now, it looks like box number 2 going to have a lot of miscellaneous parts. So we've got some bump stops that will be, these are rear bump stops, exhaust spacer kit, some shock bushings, probably going to be a bump stop extension. I'm guessing this is also a bump stop extension. I have a packet of hardware. Ooh, nice. Got a couple sway bar inlays, extended of course for the new lift height. This box also comes with a track bar relocation. Now, being that we're on the 1 tons, I've got a relocation already welded onto the axle, so I'm not going to need this, but it's awesome that they include it, especially if you're still on stock axles. Piece in here, and yep, that is a fully adjustable track bar. And of course, everything is really nicely powder coated. Box number 3. Yeah. Nice. So this box, they went ahead and packed a set of Bilstein shocks. They have a few different shock options on the website. They've got an in-house brand, the Shadow shocks. Then they've got Bilsteins. They've also got Fox shocks as well. Now, of course, Bilstein makes a great shock, and Superlift has done a great job of tuning their kit to work perfectly with these shocks. Those are going to be awesome. Now this box, box number 4, we've got more instructions on install, and it looks to be our JK rear upper control arms. Now, so far, everything that I've opened up has been packed incredibly well. They're using nice heavy-duty plastic bags. Everything is covered in foam, and that is, of course, to protect the powder coat while it's in transport. Again, we've got the adjustable joints. Good stuff. There we go. We made it to the springs. Gloss black powder coat, just like everything else. So far, everything has had a really nice powder coat on it. Ow. Careful for staples. Okay. So that first box, I thought it might be a little too small for all 4 springs. Turns out those are just the rear and here are the front. I can already tell you these springs are way taller than the springs that I have in the Jeep currently. So I'm expecting to gain a little bit of lift over and above what I already have. That'll be nice. Keep those 40-inch tires from rubbing too much. So I'm thinking at this point the only thing that I haven't opened is lower control arms. I got 2 more boxes left. Got a feeling I've got 2 lower control arms in each of those boxes. Yeah. More instructions again. Oh. Yeah. That's a beefy control arm if I've ever seen one. Holy cow. That is pure beef. Man. I've got another brand of control arms on the Jeep currently, and if I'm just comparing apples to apples, I think these are going to hold up really well. Made it to the final box. They sure don't make it easy to get into these things. Wow. Look at the size of that. That's just downright impressive. I don't know about you guys, but seeing this makes me really excited to get it installed and even more excited to get it on the trail and test it out. These look awesome. So there we have it, guys. The complete 4-inch lift kit with control arms and brand new shocks from Superlift Suspension. I told you guys we had some big things in the works for the Jeep. This is gonna be an awesome kit to hit the trails with and really test it out and really see what Superlift is made of. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the install, and let's get this baby on the trails. See you guys next time.